In this video, I introduced to you the most important things that you need if you want to get started as blockchain or Web3 developer. So first one, as you can see here, is MetaMask because it makes it easy to interact with websites. It's available for Chrome, Firefox, and also mobile. But since you're developing, so you most likely use desktop. So yeah, MetaMask works just fine. Then the next thing that you need is Remix. This is where you write all the smart contracts. So it looks something like this. Here you can just write your smart contracts, and that's why you need MetaMask, because when you want to deploy a contract, you just select here injected Web3, you connect it to your MetaMask, and then you can deploy smart contracts. Now, smart contracts are written in Solidity, so you need to learn JavaScript. And the best place to learn JavaScript is here on W3 Schools. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything, and it gets you really far because you can look up everything. And you have also other programming languages like Python, which you also might need if you want to write scripts. But JavaScript and HTML is really important for you to learn, and you find everything here for free. If you just want to copy and paste smart contracts, or you want to use already existing smart contracts that have been already verified and audited, come over to Open Zeppelin, click here on contracts, then get started, and you find all kinds of existing smart contract samples. For example, for a token, if you want to create a token, you can just come here, you can copy this, go to Remix, create a new file, just create here a new file, I call it new.sol, paste in the code, I compile new.sol. Okay, the compiler version doesn't match up. Correct compiler version. So it takes a little bit for it to compile. I don't know why. Okay, but anyways, it's not the point of creating a smart contract here. Usually you can then transfer all the transactions, etc. through MetaMask. So this is really important to have Open Zeppelin. Then you can go for truffle suites. So I personally don't use truffle suites too much, but this is a great way to, if you want to make a larger project, you have everything here in one place to compile contracts, to test them, debug them. You got some guides, tutorials, etc., etc. This is it for creating smart contracts. Now, if you want to get into the Web3 world, so one of the, of course, you also need to have, even if you work with Web3, you need to know HTML and JavaScript. You should have a good code editor. So most people that I've come across use Visual Studio Code. I use it myself, and I can only recommend it. Then if you want to take your JavaScript skills to the next step, and you really want to create nice looking tabs, etc., then I definitely suggest you to learn React. Also not React Native. So you can learn React Native as well as React.js. This is up to you. You find all the information here as well. Everything for free. And if you want to work with different blockchains, not just Ethereum, you can come here to chain list, and you can find all the information of all the Ethereum, I just call it Ethereum clones, including the test networks, for example BSC. You find here Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Mainnet, what is it, Phantom is here, and we also got Pulse Chain coming up once it's live. So you find all these networks on chain list that you can just add here in MetaMask. which I have up here and you don't see. And also important tool to have is Moralis. This is by the YouTuber, what's his name? Ivan on Tech. He's, I think, the owner or the boss, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So I think he's behind Moralis. Everything works really good here. You got different nodes for every network. So for every Ethereum virtual machine, you can just grab here your endpoints. Either it's HTTP or WebSocket. WebSocket is good if you want for trading or bots that use live data. Just use WebSockets or HTTP as well. They got much more here. You can create some servers for your projects. They got Web3 APIs where you can do simple API calls to get the token price, to get address, metadata that's from your token or NFT. So you got all of these endpoints here that you can call. Everything is for free, or for the most part is for free, I think. And if you don't go over the rate limit, I think everything here is for free. And yeah, definitely check out Moralis. It's a great way. They have great community. They have a YouTube channel with a bunch of tutorials on how to get started with Web3 and how to build applications on Web3. So yeah, of course there are way more things that you need as a blockchain and Web3 developer, but I think these are the most important things. For especially Remix, where you write your smart contracts, MetaMask, and of course the knowledge of your programming languages is a must-have in cryptocurrency. And even if you're not a programmer, you can still learn HTML. You can learn this in a day or two. You can learn JavaScript really fast if you really want to. Same with Python, it's not really difficult. And you don't have to master it, but just to know what's going on under the hood and how smart contracts work and how to interact with smart contracts through user interfaces. Definitely learn a little bit of programming. Yeah, this is it. I know this is by far not everything, but the most important things I have covered here. And therefore I can also always reference to this video when somebody watches my videos. I don't have to over and over explain everything. So that's why I made this video here. Alright guys, I hope you guys learn a lot of blockchain development and Web3 so you can make a bunch of money and work from anywhere. If this works out for you, be sure to send me some Ethereum, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.